Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live, and once again we're here at Latitude 29 Surf Shop, and we're going to talk about grandkids, because my nieces and nephews, my mom and dad's grandkids, they get a whole lot more than I did growing up. And this is all about grandkids and young kids here. Let's talk about it.
Yeah, so we talked about water shoes that we've got for kids, and we've got other shoes for kids as well. But we brought in a new line called Fair Harbor here, and these shorts actually match adult shorts. So the
whole
boys,
family can look
the little
together.
boys and the dads
mom and
can
dad.
all match. We have a lot of cute new swimwear for the kids, as well as,
I mean, imagine your granddaughter in one of these with Bolivar on it. You know, we do the hunt for Bolivar.
the little kissy fish, the little tutu. Those are awesome.
So they've got plenty here for you to spoil your grandkids. And check these out. Those are nice looking.
This is, we just got these in time for Easter, these little girl dresses. I have the boys, the little toddlers that fits it, or that matches it, as well as I've got boys, youth boys, just shirts in the same pinstripe
so
pattern.
all the kids can
All
look the
the
same,
kids can look the same. We've got this one. We've got just several. So we're excited about being able to bring some stuff in here for the kids and grandkids.
Great. And, you know, don't forget, if you saw it down here and you didn't purchase it, you can always go online at www.latitude29surfshop.com. Or if you don't see it on their website, give them a call, because they can, if you saw something that's not there and it's in the store, they can still ship it to you.
Absolutely.
Maybe not in time for Easter, but if you're down here and you want matching out, I know that's a big thing at Easter time. Kids, you know, always matching outfits and stuff, and you can take care of it here at Latitude 29 Surf Shop. So, Mike, anything else for the kids? You've got more than just clothes, though. You've got kids' toys, beach stuff, all kinds of stuff.
We've got
for the
games
kids.
that are specific to kids. We've got puzzles that are specific to kids. We have beach toys. We have jewelry. What we'll talk about one week is we've got make your own shark's tooth necklaces, which is really cool. So we have a lot of stuff for the kids.
Pick out the shark's tooth and your mount and do it all right here.
Absolutely.
Or could they bring in a shark tooth they found and go ahead and make it here? Are y'all going to be doing that?
We might get to that at some point.
Well, we're going to head on out. Once again, I'm here with the new owner, Mike Gilbert, of Latitude 29 Surf Shop. Make sure you stop by and see the new building, because it's really laid out great. A lot of new product and some new brands this year. So we're going to head on out. Mike, thanks for joining us. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye.